gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is Mr. Lunsford, and I am very glad you joined me this evening. Tonight's homework is for the evening of March 7th, 2018. The topic is volume, and this is about the volume of rectangular prisms and triangular prisms and cubes. And again, this is one of the assignments I missed because I was sick, and let's get started. All right, with number 6, we're looking at the volume of a rectangular prism, and the area for a rectangle is length times width. The area for the volume for a rectangular prism is length times width times height. So let's get our units and our numbers assigned. Our length here is 5, the width is 1.5, the height is 4, and the units here are inches. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill in everything. The volume is simply the area of the base times the height. So we have length times width times height. We have 5 times 1.5 times 4. Simplifying, we have 7.5 times 4. And our volume is 30 inches cubed. 30 inches cubed. All right, carrying on. We're going on to number 7. And here we have a cube. And when we have a cube, all of our sides are the same length. So it doesn't matter whether you're talking about a base or a height, every single measurement should be the same number. So if we're having a side here of 6, that means the other side is also 6. See the difference? One side here, the other side here. Since it's a cube, it's all 6. Also, our height is going to be 6. So our units are millimeters. And let's go ahead and fill this in. Our volume is the area of the base times the height. We have our volume being side squared times height. 6 squared times 6, 36 times 6, 216 millimeters cubed. That's our final volume for our cube. And moving on, number 8. We have a triangular prism. And the area for one of our bases is 0.5 times the quantity base times height. Don't get the height of that base triangle confused with the height of the prism, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. The base here is 7 yards, the height is 7 yards, but the height as far as volume is concerned is this number. Now sometimes we call it length, sometimes we call it height. In this particular case, we're going to use this as our height, because remember, if our base is right here, then the height is going to be our length, okay? And the units are yards. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So it's the area of our base times the height. 0.5 times 7 times 10 times height. 0.5 times 70 times 15. Then 35 times 15. And 525 yards cubed. That's our final answer. Y'all take care, and remember, math is not just about numbers. It's all about the relationships that surround us every day. Have a good one.